Hello, class. Today we are preparing for the zombie apocalypse. So, your learning objective today is by the end of the lesson, you will be able to show that you can solve percent proportion problems using both discounts and markups. So, this is going to be super useful to grocery shopping, to just shopping for clothes. Any purchase you make and it has a discount, you're going to need to be able to calculate that. You're also going to need to know what a markup is and how you can resell something for more than you purchase it for. So that's your goal for today. But we are doing that by preparing for the zombie apocalypse today. So what you're going to do is do a little exploring with the CDC, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, has a whole page for zombie preparedness. You might want to check that out first. Here's an article on some resources that they recommend to prepare, water, food, stuff like that. And there's actually a whole class, which I think that we should start a petition to have at our school for how to survive a zombie attack. So what you're actually going to do today is you're going to have a guideline of that you need to turn into Google Classroom. And you're going to find that this shop for the zombie apocalypse list is linked here. So when I go to the engage section, you can click on items and that will take you to the shopping list. These are the items that you have to choose from. So you can kind of browse through these items and look, and you are going to be choosing a minimum of 7 items. You'll see that each item, for example, the rope is $82. It has a discount of 20%. You're going to calculate that price after the discount. So this is going to be cheaper or less expensive than $82 after the discount. And you're going to do that for at least 7 items. You're going to keep track of that in this guideline here. You can show all of your work by typing it in. You can make this a PDF and use Kami, or you can go ahead and grab a paper copy as well. For one of the items, I want you to plan on reselling it. So maybe you're reselling it to a friend or somebody else in need when we actually enter the apocalypse. And the reason you would resell this is because you think that you could make money on that item. So that's where the markup comes in, is you're going to pay a certain price for it. I want you to mark it up and calculate the percent that you mark it up. So before we start that, I want you to review a couple videos on discounts and markups. Remember, there's a video on how to turn on the captions in YouTube if you need that. The second video is I want you to watch problems 1 and 2 of this guy who explains discounts and markups. It's going to be real quick, and I want you to pause the video as you need so that you can try the problems on your own. And then I want you to watch this 2-minute video on how to calculate a markup. Okay, so you're going to be trying the problems as you go through those. There's some more examples if you want to watch more videos or go to a website or just have some extra practice. Then you're going to go to that digital store, which is the shop for the zombie apocalypse, and you're going to use the outline to guide through your 7 items. At the end, you're going to then create a Flipgrid video explaining how much each item was, why you think it was important, and which item you plan to resell. So, for example, we'll do one item together. Let's pretend I am choosing books. I want books for the zombie apocalypse because I think I'm going to have to stay inside a lot of the time. And I'm going to choose 5 books of my choice. They're only $5 and I have a 10% discount. So I could say 1/10 of $5. What is 1/10 of $5? Well, 1/5 of $5 is $1. 1/10 is 50 cents. So that's my discount. So what I will actually end up paying for those 5 books is $4.50 because $5 minus that discount of 50 cents is $4.50. So that's where I would go back and put in my work here, how I calculated the $4.50 for the total price of the books. And then that would be one of my items. That was kind of an easy item. Maybe I want to choose more than 7 items because you get $500 to spend. Maybe you spend all of that. Maybe you don't spend all of that. It's totally up to you. You guys can get creative with this. So I will be here if you need help, but go ahead and remember to rewatch and use those resources as you guys need.